In this video, we'll see how to use JMP's distribution platform to explore histograms of data. Basic analysis often starts with histograms and summary statistics, something we might call univariate analysis. To get a histogram in JMP, we'll go to the Analyze menu and select the distribution platform. Next, we'll tell JMP which columns we would like to see distributions for. We can do this two ways. The first way, I'll select bill amount on the left and click it into the Y column. And the second way, I can drag a column from the left and drop it into the Y columns. When I click OK, JMP will return the basic distribution output for these two columns. Notice that JMP has provided different output for these two columns. For bill amount, we see quantiles and summary statistics like the mean and standard deviation, and for day of week, we see a frequency table. JMP is smart enough to know that different types of statistics are appropriate for these different columns. The distribution output can be customized in several ways. The gray triangles allow us to hide or show particular output, and the red triangles allow us to produce new output. The red triangles next to our column names give us options for new analyses or output for that particular column. For instance, for the bill amount column, perhaps we want to assess the normality with the normal quantile plot. When I turn on the normal quantile plot, the output is appended to the current window. I can turn off that output by going back to the red triangle and deselecting the normal quantile plot. There's also a red triangle next to distributions. This red triangle controls the platform overall, including an option for stacking, which will rotate all the output so our histograms are horizontal. To revert the output, I'll go back to the red triangle and uncheck Stack. All output in JMP is interactive, which means when I select observations in a graph, JMP will show those observations in other graphs as well as select those rows in the JMP table. This allows me to interactively investigate relationships among variables even in the distribution platform. It also means when I'm first looking at my data, I can grab and identify extreme points. Perhaps this bill amount of 70.51 is too high to be considered a part of the rest of the distribution. I can right-click and exclude this row from future analyses right from the distribution platform.